Hey guys! Woo! So here we are. Here's our river. It's really sunny, which is awesome and great and everything. It's really cool because when we were traveling like a couple miles from here, it was pouring rain. It was like really rainy.
Miles.
Well, a couple, yeah.
A couple tens of miles.
Now we're here. Woo! This is not the Pacific Ocean. Here it's a river. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's really sunny. Whoa, guys, look at the sand! It's so weird. Oh my gosh! It's really freezing though. It's really cold. Okay, let's go run! Woo! The Pacific Ocean actually starts. The waves are huge! The waves are huge! Okay guys, I'm gonna video more later. Look at the sand! It's kind of... Okay, bye!